This record is for anyone who wishes to have a good sleep and wake up feeling fresh and strong. Play this record after you have finished your night preparations and are comfortably in bed. Arrange lights, record player and everything in such a way that you don't have to get up after the record is finished. On your way to sleep, we are going to take a walk. A beautiful walk in the country. A walk in the country where we see trees and flowers, stream and sky, birds, squirrels, deer. It has been a long, lazy summer afternoon. The sun is low in the sky, and all things are gleaming like jewels in the level light. After a passing shower, the world is green, fresh, new. And look there behind the trees, the rainbow. Let's walk toward the rainbow. The earth is springy beneath your feet, the air tender and caressing on your face. Feel air, earth, sun. They are our companions on our walk. On this walk we are going to feel and be, look and listen, taste, touch, and breathe. On this walk, it does not matter what you seem to be or try to be in your daily life. You who lightly walk with me, just feel and be. Be what you are, a little one or a big one, young or old, rich or poor, be what you are. You who lightly walk with me, just feel and be. Be what you are. You who lightly walk with me, just feel and be. Be what you are. You who judge and compare, rest for a while. You who calculate and possess, rest for a while. You who seek and accomplish, rest for a while. While you who lightly walk with me, you just feel and be. Feel and be, look and listen, taste, touch, and breathe. Breathe, breathe the rain-washed air in the country. Inhale its fragrance. Let the fresh air penetrate your every pore. As you take another deep breath, you see the country very clearly and vividly. Look at those trees waving in the soft summer air. Listen to the breeze. Look at the trees in the distance with the rainbow behind them. We are walking toward the rainbow. The earth is pleasant under our feet, and now there are leaves and grass. Soft, green grass, so marvelously green. Let's stop for a moment and bend down to feel this grass. Gently you caress it with the palm of your hand, slowly. Soft, green grass, so alive. How many colors there are in this green grass. Put your face in it. Press your face to the grass and smell it. deeply absorbed inside of you color and smell of earth and grass. Slowly you breathe while the setting sun bathes you in its embracing radiance. Every leaf, every blade of grass glitters with living light, an infinite profusion of shining jewels. You are bathing in sun, grass, earth. Breathe and let's walk further toward the rainbow behind the trees. Toward the rainbow lightly we walk, so lightly we walk that nothing is disturbed by our passage. See there a rabbit nibbling at a dandelion, a deer and her fawn crossing the path unhurriedly, a splendid snow-white horse dreamingly looking at the rainbow. Light and free we walk, and hear the mockingbird gaily making fun of the universe. Lightly we walk, look, listen, and see. Lightly we walk, look, listen, and see. You who lightly walk with me, be what you are, a little one or a big one, young or old, rich or poor, be what you are. You who judge and compare, rest for a while. You who calculate and possess, rest for a while. You who seek and accomplish, rest for a while. While you who lightly walk with me, you just feel and be. Feel and be, look and listen, taste, touch, and breathe. As we approach the woods, we see wild strawberry leaves. Bending down, we part the leaves and find the secret treasure of ripe red berries. Pick one of them and look at it. Tiny, rare, perfect. Smell it. And now gently feel it with your lips. Tenderly you touch it with your teeth. Put it in your mouth. Squeeze it with your tongue. What pleasure! The juice is like nectar in the mouth. Heavenly tasting strawberry melting in you, becoming part of you. Now we are entering the woods filled with life and mystery. Tall, tall trees. Far up, between the leaves, we see the sky brilliantly blue, so blue. And there is the rainbow, a generous sweep of colors, equally embracing heaven and earth. Look at those colors, red melting into orange, yellow into green, going deep into blue, deeper into indigo and violet. As we walk toward those colors, we hear a new sound, a stream wandering among the trees. It is a clear, silvery stream that gradually swells and widens into a smooth, peaceful, irresistible river. The trees and the sky are reflected in the water. Far off, a white swan smoothly glides along. Soon we also shall be smoothly gliding along in the little boat that we find waiting for us at the foot of the gently sloping bank. Let's step into the boat. Let's stretch ourselves out on the soft cushion, leave the bank, and go floating along the river, with the river. Comfortably and lightly we lie on the cushions. High above us, between the leaves of the overhanging trees, we see sky and white clouds gliding with us. Smoothly we glide toward the place where river and rainbow meet. Light and free we are floating in the strong, peaceful river toward the rainbow. There are fewer trees now and wider sky. The sky is becoming wider and bluer as we float toward the rainbow. Behind us, the sun is almost touching the horizon. We are floating toward the luminous place where river and rainbow melt into one. The sky is becoming bluer and bluer. We are floating with the river and the sky, and now we are entering the rainbow. We are floating into the rainbow, floating into a world of color, floating through ruby and gold and emerald, gliding into blue. And as we go deeper into indigo and violet, the sun behind us dips below the horizon. Now all is blue, boundless blue, luminous blue. Further and further we go into the heart of the blue, into soft, living blue of twilight, deepening into the soothing silence of night. It is a loving silence, a silence that sustains and embraces. Float on into that loving silence. Float on into the heart of the blue. Float into soft, living blue. Float into embracing, loving silence.